you ready for the best prices? Let's go! When you order this mower within 1 minute, you will get 2 more for absolutely free. This offer is only for a limited time. Don't hesitate to call now.
Hello?
Hey Ray, it's Margaret. Sorry for calling so late, but I'm going out of state for a week. Could you please take care of my cat, water the flowers, and occasionally pick up my mail? I would really appreciate it.
Oh, hello, Mrs. Olson. Of course, I'd be happy to help. When I get home from work in the evenings, I can take care of everything you need.
Great, thank you. I'm leaving tomorrow morning. Won't you come over to my apartment now so I can show you what you'll need to do?
I'll be there in a minute.
Wow, looking good, Ray. You're a charming man.
Thank you, Mrs. Olson. What should I do first?
At the end of the hall is a door to my junk room. In that room, there's a watering can. Please bring it here. Here in the living room are the first 2 plants. Last 2 plants are in the bedroom. I'll wait for you here. I usually feed Kitty half a can in the morning and evening. Since you're coming only in the evening, just give her a whole can then. The cans are in the kitchen. No need to get the mail today. I already did it. Here are my apartment and mailbox keys, plus $50. Appreciate your help.
Thanks a lot. I'll make sure everything's taken care of.
Just in case, I'll write all the tasks down and leave the note here somewhere. If you need anything, feel free to call me anytime. See you next week.
Take care and good night.
Hello?
Hello, Mrs. Olson? I've got a problem. A plant is missing. The one in the living room.
Hey, Ray. Really? Everything else is fine. Just one plant disappeared.
Yes, well, it's here. It literally wasn't here a few seconds ago. I'm not crazy, am I?
Maybe you're tired. Sorry if I'm bothering you that much with my work.
No, that's definitely from my work. I hate it there. Sorry to interrupt. I'm gonna go water them. Bye.
What the fuck was that disgustingly loud sound? Screw it. I'm drunk as a skunk anyway. You're the one who's taking care of Margaret's apartment now, aren't you?
Yes, that's me. Sorry if I disturbed you.
What were you doing there so late yesterday? It was 3 o'clock in the morning.
What? By that time, I was sleeping in my bed. I wasn't in her apartment.
I saw you. I was coming back from the pub. You were waving at me from the window.
You were just seeing things. I was really sleeping.
Hi, Mrs. Olson. Is
911, what's your emergency?
There's a foreign man in my apartment. He attacked my neighbor and now they're fighting.
It's my apartment. Mine. Get out, everybody out.